lovely Mclaren GT in, and it's going to receive this full titanium exhaust from Vehicle Revolution, very lightweight. And we're also going to upload a performance remap from Delta Performance, taking this beast from 600 brake to a staggering 800 brake.
The old exhaust off, comparing it to the new one. The new one, so much lighter, it's incredible.
One exhaust on.
Okay, so we're out in the Mclaren GT following the installation of the titanium exhaust from Vehicle Revolution and the Delta Performance remap. Now I'm in a customer's car on public road, to be fair, so I can't do anything silly. I'm sorry, boring video, but stay put, because I'm sure we will feel some difference in throttle response and get to hear the new noise. So we're coming up to a suitable bit of road soon where hopefully I can accelerate and see what it's like. I'm just going to be careful to start with. Such a lovely car, such positive steering, it almost swivels around your hips. Instant gear changes, really nice car. Sounds nice, doesn't it? I don't know if you can pick it up on the phone. It's not stupidly loud, it's still quite nice. You can drive it normally and there's no drone. After all, it is a Grand Tourer. But when you put your foot down, you get a bit of extra roar, which is nice. I'll accelerate to the speed limit, that's about it. It's not mine. I might slow down just so I can accelerate again. Wow, that throttle response is something else. I haven't felt something like that before. Driven plenty of fast cars, but 800 horsepower under your right foot, it wants to go. Well, can't wait to deliver it back to the customer, see what they think. I think they're